This is Jason with Drawn Cattle Company. We have a new tractor in for sale. It's a Ford diesel. We're going to sell it with a 3-bottom plow, tractor and plow, $3,800. Again, it's a diesel tractor, local trade-in. They bought a Ford 3000 from us and traded this in. Tractor runs real good. They broke land with it last week. So tractor and bottom plow, $3,800. Call us at 910-624-8734 or 910-624-6791. Come see it and test drive it at 8745 Main Street, Godwin, North Carolina, 28344. Thank you.